Going to break 39.97 for the 2020 Panini Immaculate Baseball Collection Card Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, December 22nd, 2020. It's 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:59 p.m. Central Time, and 8:59 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Rich Martinez with 3 spots, Erica with 1, The Big House 2, Supplies 1, Layway 1, Levy 2, He 1, Dan with 3, Master 2. I'm going to sneeze. I don't want to sneeze in your ears. Let's try that again. Maybe. Well, I do apologize. Let's try that again. Or sneeze my eyeballs out. Okay, we have Rich with 3. Erica 1, Big House 2, Supplies 1, Layway 1, Levy 2, He 1, Dan C with 3, Master Rude with 2, I Chef Around 1, Bangle Boy 1, BR 1, Mercury Trading with 2, Ravishing Rob with 1, JD with 3, The Struggle 1, Kohan Bay 1, Rub 1, Jake with 2. Sorry about the no volume. I've been sneezing my head off over here. I apologize. Okay. Here we are. Good luck. And whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. But thanks for catching that. I did mute it on purpose. Sealed and sealed. Empty. We also have the Immaculate Collegiate Football Edition collection. One. Right. All right, let's see what we have here. Shimmy this out. All right, we're all here. Empty, empty. So, first up, Aaron Nola and Philadelphia, 4/49. So we'll go through the box and then go back through and highlight our winners. We have Fergie Jenkins, Texas Rangers, 22 out of 25. Game worn material for Texas. Then we have Andres Munoz, auto, 25 out of 99, debut jumbo for the San Diego Padres. We have for Detroit, Casey Mize, Detroit Tigers, 1 out of 10 auto, winter collection. That's fitting. Very nice. Colorado, we have Jonathan Daza, clutch gold auto rookie, 19 out of 25. Colorado. And last but not least, we have Michael Baez, rookie jersey auto, 21 out of 25. And this is for San Diego. So San Diego, you have 2. All right, sweet. Let's go back through and see who is getting what. All right, so San Diego. Oh, here, there we go. San Diego. And where's the other San Diego? There you are. So San Diego, you have 2 coming your way. San Diego Padres, the big house, 21-21. Congrats. Daza, Colorado, out of 25, Colorado Rockies. Going to iChef around 920. Congrats. Casey Mize, Detroit Tigers, winter collection. Jersey auto, very nice. Detroit Tigers, Ravishing Rob, Rude, 23. Congrats. How about Fergie Jenkins, Texas Rangers, 22 out of 25. S-Rub 803, congrats. And last but not least, we have Aaron Nola, Philadelphia Phillies, 4 out of 49, jersey. Philadelphia Phillies, the struggle 420. Congrats. And that was break 3997 for the 2020 Panini Immaculate Baseball Collection Card Box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet. And up next is break 4031 for the 2020 Topps Chrome Black Baseball Card Box. Thanks.